Welcome back to Vocabulary Builder. Today, let's learn restaurant and dining words. Reservation, pehle se table book karna. For example, I made a reservation for 2 people. Menu, khane ki list. For example, can I see the menu, please? Appetizer, shurwati halka khana. For example, we ordered an appetizer before the main course. Waiter, beta, khidmat karne wala. For example, the waiter recommended a great dish. Bill, hisab. For example, can we get the bill, please? Tip, inam, chai pani. For example, we left a good tip for the waiter. Cuisine, khane ka andaz, culture ka khana. For example, I love trying different cuisines. Takeaway, khana band kar le jana. For example, let's order a takeaway tonight. Ab bataएं, आपका favorite restaurant कौन सा है? ऐसी ही videos के लिए हमें subscribe करें.